In this video, we review Pocket Option. Have you used Pocket Option before? What was your experience? Leave your Pocket Option review in the comments section below. Pocket Option is a binary options trading platform that attracts users due to its simplicity and user-friendly interface. Known for its low entry barriers, this platform is appealing to both beginner and experienced traders. However, despite its popularity, it comes with mixed reviews, and it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons before committing to this trading service. A shocking aspect about Pocket Option is that it allows users to start trading with as little as $5, which is an attractive feature for those who are hesitant to commit large sums initially. The platform also promises high payouts, with returns of up to 90% on successful trades, making it sound like an ideal way to generate substantial returns in a short period. However, it's important to note that binary options trading is highly speculative and risky, making these high returns just as easily attainable for the wrong reasons. The user interface of Pocket Option is sleek and intuitive, offering a variety of assets including Forex, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Traders can execute trades directly from the web platform or via its mobile app, which is convenient for those who prefer on-the-go trading. Additionally, Pocket Option supports both demo accounts for beginners and real money accounts for experienced traders. It also provides various educational resources to help new traders understand the fundamentals of binary options. Despite the advantages, there are significant drawbacks to trading on Pocket Option. For one, the platform is not regulated, which is a considerable red flag for many users. While it's registered in the offshore jurisdiction of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, it lacks oversight from major financial regulatory bodies like the SEC or FCA. This could leave traders vulnerable to potential scams or fraudulent activities. Additionally, several user reviews highlight the platform's tendency to suspend or freeze accounts under unclear circumstances, often leading to frustration and loss of funds for traders. Another downside is the narrow range of deposit and withdrawal options. While users can fund their accounts with a variety of payment methods such as bank cards, cryptocurrencies, and e-wallets, withdrawal processes can sometimes be slow and subject to additional verification, which may delay access to funds. Some reviews mention that the customer support team can be unresponsive or slow to resolve issues, especially when it comes to account suspensions or withdrawal concerns. Moreover, Pocket Option offers an alluring affiliate program which may incentivize aggressive marketing tactics. This could lead to a situation where some users are pushed into trading binary options without a full understanding of the risks involved. Since binary options are inherently risky, especially for unprepared traders, users should approach Pocket Option with caution and ensure they are well informed about the dangers of speculative trading. In conclusion, Pocket Option offers several attractive features such as low deposit requirements, a wide range of trading assets, and an easy-to-navigate platform. However, its lack of regulation, slow withdrawal process, and occasional account issues could deter some traders from fully committing to the service. It's essential for prospective traders to carefully consider these factors before using Pocket Option for trading.